Haha, well, hello there. I'm Potty Pal, your new best friend in the bathroom. And who might you be, little one?
I'm Timmy.
It's great to meet you, Timmy, and it's wonderful to meet all of you at home, too. I'm here to help make potty time fun and easy. Oops, excuse me. Ah, Timmy, there's no need to be scared. Together, we can turn potty time into party time. Hey there, buddy. Feeling a little flushed? I mean, down?
The big kids don't wear diapers. I want to play like them.
Well, that's what I'm here for. I can teach you all about using the potty just like the big kids do. It'll be a splashing good time. Don't worry, Timmy. I've got just the thing.
Thank you, Potty Pal.
That's what friends are for. Now, how about we learn about using the potty? It can help prevent accidents like this in the future.
I don't know. What if I can't do it?
Oh, Timmy, everyone feels that way at first. But I believe in you. Want to give it a try?
Okay, I'll try.
That's the spirit. Are you ready to learn about the potty too? Let's go. This is where the magic happens, Timmy. Let me show you how it all works. All right, Timmy and friends at home, are you ready to learn the potty dance? Let's go. When you feel that urge to go, walk to the potty. Don't be slow. Pull down your pants, take a seat on the potty. Oh, what a treat.
Do my business, take my time. When I'm done, it's wiping time.
That's right, Timmy. Always remember to wipe gently. Now it's time to flush it down. Watch it swirl round and round. Last but not least, wash those hands with soap and water. No other plans.
That's how we do the potty dance. Give yourself a victory stance. Wow, Potty Pal, that was fun. Can I try for real now?
Of course, Timmy. Remember all the steps we practiced?
I did it, Potty Pal. I used the potty.
Oh, splash-tastic job, Timmy. I'm so proud of you. Here's a special sticker for your first successful potty time.
Thank you, Potty Pal. I can't wait to try again.
Remember, little friends, practice makes perfect. Keep trying, and you'll be potty pros in no time.
Oh no, I had an accident.
Oh, Timmy, it's okay. Accidents happen to everyone, even grown-ups sometimes.
Sniff, sniff. But I thought I could do it. Maybe I'm not ready for the potty.
Remember how well you did earlier? You're doing great, Timmy. It just takes practice.
But what if I have more accidents?
Then we'll clean up and try again. How about we make a fun song to help you remember the steps?
A song?
When you feel that special feeling, don't delay, just start revealing.
Go to the potty. Pull down your pants.
Sit on the seat and do your potty dance.
Wipe, flush, wash your hands. Now you're done. Ain't it grand? I love it, Potty Pal. Can we try again?
Of course. Remember our song and you'll do great.
Way to go, Timmy. Look at you mastering the potty. Whoa, look at our little potty champion now. Timmy's all grown up.
When you feel that special feeling, don't delay. Just start revealing. With great potty power comes great responsibility.
Way to go, Timmy. You're a real potty pro now.
Wow. Look at Timmy go. He's having so much fun playing with the big kids now.
Great job, everyone. Remember, using the potty takes practice, but you can do it. Keep trying, and soon you'll be a potty pro too.
And don't forget to wash your hands. Potty time is party time.
And that's our potty time adventure. Join the potty party and become a potty pro too.